there's not that many companies tackling these problems because they're so interdisciplinary. When you look at what we have, let's say, in our tech abilities, we have the knowledge of easily deformable materials, including FEM simulations. We have controlling robotics. We have, let's say, grasping and handling of these materials. We have a vision component that's comprised of classical computer vision and AI. And we have, of course, the process and prototyping knowledge of, let's say, whatever it is you're trying to automate. So this is not something that you can find many teams for. Yeah, the three of us who founded the company have known each other since 2012, like first semester mechanical engineering. There, Alex and I used to have the occasional beer, let's say, in the evenings, and I don't know, talk about many different things. And it somehow came to the point that we started talking about manufacturing of clothing, and Alex was like, yeah, did you know that t-shirts are all made by hand basically? And I was like, oh no, come on, like everyone has so many of those, that's insane.